I will now show a few elements of the pharmacy home screen or role center. We see which user is logged onto the system. In this case, it is user 999 Henrik, the pharmacist. The setup action on the top of the screen gives us access to the pharmacy setup page, to pharmacy commands, profiles, and other basic setup. We can also manage master data related to items, for example, ATC groups, substance groups, and various units of measure. Finally, the setup action gives access to user management, issuer, and more. On the top of the screen, we have access to pharmacy items and pharmacy products, as well as historical data like posted prescription orders. The customer service action on the role center makes it possible to start registering a new prescription order. Finally, from the role center, the user has access to prescription orders being worked on in the system, both those open or in registration, those waiting for final control, and those that are approved and are waiting for payment and delivery to the customer.